आज की इस वीडियो में हम मेक, मेक्स, गेट, गेट्स मेड और विल मेक को समझेंगे। यानी ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई काम हम खुद नहीं करते बल्कि किसी और से करवाते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कि हम डेली लाइफ में मेक, मेक्स, गेट, गेट्स मेड और विल मेक कैसे बोलते हैं और उनका सही तरीके से यूज कैसे करते हैं। और वीडियो में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी उसकी वोकेबलरी साइड में स्क्रीन पर ही दिखाई देगी। इससे आपको वीडियो पॉज करके वर्ड सर्च करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। उसके बाद हम 5 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो इस कहानी के बेसे पर होंगे। इन क्वेश्चन से ये पता चलेगा कि आपको कहानी कितनी समझ आई, क्योंकि दोस्तों स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले एक गुड लिसनर बनना पड़ता है। अगर आप सुनने में स्ट्रांग हैं तो बोलना ऑटोमेटिकली ईजी हो जाता है। फिर आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबुलरी वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे। ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे। आपको इन्हें रोज थोड़ा टाइम निकल कर याद करना है। और लास्ट में आपको उन 5 क्वेश्चंस के करेक्ट आंसर्स बताए जाएंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन।
Hey Rohan, today I want to share a story with you. But before that, let's practice make and get.
Good idea. Because in real life, people always make us do something or get work done from us.
Exactly. For example, my mom makes me study every evening,
Ha ha. My dad makes me clean my room.
and my sister often gets me to bring water from the kitchen.
Oh, same here. Yesterday, my cousin got me to play cricket even when I was tired.
See, life is full of make and get.
Tell me one thing, Aman. Has anyone ever made you do something funny?
Oh, yes. Last week, my friend made me dance on stage at a wedding.
Ha 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 ha. That's hilarious. Once my teacher made me sing a song in assembly.
Poor you. But teachers also care for us. Yesterday, my English teacher got me to read a story aloud.
True, and my sports sir made us run extra laps on the ground.
Wow. These things made us stronger in the past.
Yes, and tomorrow also, my coach will make me practice football.
You know, my best friend makes me laugh whenever I'm sad.
Nice! My uncle makes me feel special whenever I visit him.
That's sweet. My mom made me eat vegetables daily when I was a kid.
Same here. My dad always got me to drink milk even when I didn't like it.
Parents will always make us follow healthy habits in future too.
True, they will make us strong and disciplined.
So, family really makes and gets us to do good things.
Aman, do you remember our school days? The teacher made us stand when we didn't do homework.
Ha ha ha. Yes. And sometimes she made me write the same homework twice.
Once the principal got me to give a speech in front of everyone.
Wow, that must have been scary. But it made you confident, right?
Exactly. That moment made me fearless.
See, mistakes and challenges always make us better.
And in future, experience will make us wise.
Yesterday, Rahul made me laugh so much that I had tears in my eyes.
Haha. And once my little brother made me cry by breaking my toy.
Poor Rohan. But sometimes people make us feel happy and sometimes sad.
That's true. Even movies make us emotional.
Yes, last night a film made me think deeply about life.
Oh wow. And one day, stories like these will make us inspire others.
Exactly, stories make our imagination strong.
Great. Now tell me the story you promised, using more of these words.
So Rohan, the boy in my story, had big dreams. But his teacher always made him study extra.
Yes, because teachers make students work hard for their future.
Exactly. His parents also made him wake up early every day.
Oh, same happened with me. My mom made me join a tuition class once.
And sometimes his friends got him to play cricket when he wanted to study.
Haha, that sounds like my friends. They often get me to waste time. But tell me, did this boy ever get motivated?
Yes, one day his teacher made him realize the value of time.
That's great. Such lessons really make a big impact.
True. That advice made him stop wasting hours on games.
Wow. Even I had a teacher who made me promise to study daily.
And that promise will make you successful one day. Trust me.
I hope so. Hard work always makes dreams possible.
The boy also had a friend who made him laugh when he was sad.
Nice. Good friends always make us feel better.
Once, his cousin made him tell jokes at a family party.
Ha ha ha. Even my cousin once made me sing loudly in public.
These funny moments made his childhood beautiful.
Yes, and such memories will make him smile even in future.
Exactly, joy makes life colorful.
But Aman, life is not always easy. Who made him face difficulties?
Good question. Sometimes failure made him cry.
Oh, I understand. Failure often makes people stronger later.
Right. Once, losing a competition made him work harder.
That's inspiring. Problems get us to change our habits.
And pain made him realize his true potential.
Wow, struggles really make a person brave.
You know, his father once made him speak in front of a big crowd.
Really. That must have made him nervous.
Yes, but later it made him confident.
I like that. Parents sometimes get us to do things we fear.
Exactly. And such experiences make us fearless for life.
True, and these experiences will make him a great leader in future.
So, Rohan, in this story, we saw how teachers, parents, and friends made him learn.
Yes, and how happiness makes us smile, and pain makes us strong.
Exactly. Even failures got him to change his life.
And good habits will make him successful one day.
That's the beauty of life. Everything makes or gets us to grow.
Perfect. I'm loving this story.
अब इस कहानी के कुछ क्वेश्चंस 1. Who makes Aman study every evening? 2. Who made Aman dance on stage? 3. Who gets Rohan to play cricket even when he is tired? 4. Who made Aman realize the value of time? 5. Who once made Aman sing a song in assembly? ये क्वेश्चंस इस कहानी पर बेस्ड हैं। पहले खुद से सोचिए, इसका आंसर आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में मिलेगा। अब चलिए देखते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स जो आपको इस कहानी से याद रखने चाहिए। ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो एक लाइक ज़रूर कर देना। ऐसे ही हेल्पफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकॉन भी दबा देना ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो। आपका सपोर्ट ही हमें और मोटिवेट करता है नए कंटेंट बनाने के लिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।